welcome back to my channel. This is here Barbie Chatterjee with you guys, and today I'm going to review these lenses which I'm wearing right now. So these are from the brand Soft Lenses. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started with the review. And yeah, this is my first time wearing these lenses. So yeah, if you like my video, then please do like, comment and subscribe, and also share my channel with your friends. So let's get started. I'll also mention my Instagram ID in case if you don't follow me there. And if you're wondering about this makeup look, it will be up on my IGTV on Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram for more updates. So yeah, let's begin. So I'll just show you how the lens came in. So it was a packaging like this. It was the outer cardboard box, and I purchased it for, I guess, a total, it was total 820 rupees. The lenses were for 700 and the lens solution was for 80, and 40 rupees were the prepaid shipping charges. I don't know about their postpaid shipping charges, but the prepaid was for 40 rupees. So over here the MRP mentioned is, yeah, so the MRP is mentioned right over here. It's 995 and it's written sparkle color lenses, but the Instagram page is named with Soft Lenses, so I don't really know that. So it's a premium color contact lens. It is in the shade sterling gray, so I got one shade to try it out, and I'm in the power 0.00. So these are absolutely amazing. Like, I really love these lenses. Just look at them, how beautiful they look. And this is my first time trying out lenses. I would say these, like, it just took me around 5 minutes to wear these lenses. I thought it would be a very big issue. It will take me around half an hour or 1 hour to wear these lenses. And yeah, while I was wearing the lenses, a little bit of like my eyes did water a little bit, just a tad bit. And it feels like, the edges are a little bit blurry. Like, when I'm looking forward, this side feels slightest bit blurry at the beginning when you wear it. But these are like super comfortable. These are not like, you won't feel itchy or anything like that. Of course, I didn't feel, so everyone has a different eye type also maybe. But yeah, I just love how they look. They are in the shade sterling gray. So this is kind of a very bluish toned gray. It has hints of blue and as well as light gray and a little bit deep gray. So I absolutely love this. And yeah, if you're wondering what my lip color is, my lip color is the MAC liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Old Lady. So this is what I am wearing right now on my lips, and I absolutely love this color too. So if you want to check a tutorial on this makeup look, then do go ahead to my Instagram and watch my IGTV. So yeah, these came in this kind of cardboard packaging, and I'll just show you what the lenses came in. So the lenses came in this kind of packaging. You'll see the video when I'm wearing it. So this was the packaging of the lenses. I can't flip it over. So the lenses were right here because there's lens solution. I'll throw away the lens solution, right? What will we do with this lens solution? So yeah, okay. So the lenses were in here, this side. So this is how the packaging looks like. And of course, I'm in the power 0. I don't wear spectacles or anything, so I have a 0 power. And these are the quarterly disposable lenses. Like, you can use these lenses for 3 months from when you open it. And the expiry is mentioned on 2024, which is a great deal, you guys. Like, 2024, 4 years, it has a 4 year shelf life. Isn't that amazing? And also, they give you 1 year warranty on the yearly disposable lenses. I don't know about these lenses, but on the yearly disposable ones, they give you a 1 year warranty. I just wanted to try it out. That's the reason I just got one shade, and that too quarterly disposable. I didn't want to get the daily disposable because I feel that's just a waste of money. Like, I'll just wear it once and throw it away, and I'll pay around 200 to 300 rupees for one lens. So I thought better to get this. So you actually have to peel it like this, and your lens is here, and you'll just show like I'll be showing in the video how you can just take it out and apply that lenses. It's my first time, but I feel like a genius, like I did it in like this. I don't know if it is only me or anyone else, but it just literally took me 5 minutes to apply those lenses. So yeah, this is how the packaging, all the details are mentioned over here. And let me show you the lens solution. So this is the Aqua Soft Fresh Bio Lens Solution. So this is the outer packaging of the lens solution, and I got this for rupees 80. The MRP is mentioned rupees 95, and this is a tiny bottle of lens solution. So this is how it looks like. It looks beautiful though, and not beautiful, everything looks beautiful, man, what I'm saying. Okay, so this is how the bottle looks like, and this is the cap. So you have to use this dropper, and you know, whenever you are wearing the lenses, you always need to take it out from the box, clean it, and then apply. And when you take it out again, clean it, and not, you don't need to clean it. When you take it out, just you have to pour some solution into the container. So this is how the container looks like, and this is the solution. Let me show you the container. So this is how the container looks like. I'll just show you by opening it. I have sterilized this container. Like, I put this in boiling water for around 15 minutes or 20 minutes or so. And this is how it looks like. So one is for your left eye, and this one is for your right eye, if you have different power on both of your eyes. But I do have the same power. Like, I have no power actually. So let me show you. It's just a normal lens box, nothing too fancy. So this is how it looks like. I have sterilized everything, so you'll be see how I take out my lenses and put it into this tiny box right here. And this was for free with the lens, like 700 including lens and the lens box, which is a good thing. And I received my delivery just within around, I guess I placed my delivery on June 3, and today is June 7, I guess. Let me check on the dates. uh yeah, sorry, today is July 9th, so I received it yesterday on July 8th. So the delivery was super fast. Like, I was amazed by the delivery. And during this pandemic, everyone is taking so long to do a delivery, and he, I guess, yeah, he's a he. Yeah, so he delivered within a week, like this. I placed an order and I received my order. So I am very happy with their service, and they also reply immediately. Like, I'll text them, and within 10 minutes I always receive a reply, and they are very polite, like the way they talk and the way they suggest things. So I absolutely love how these lenses are looking. So without furthermore blabbering, let's move on to the demo part, where you will see me applying these lenses and also later on taking them off. I just don't feel like taking them off. Like, look at that, how beautiful I feel. Okay, bye bye, take care. I hope you enjoyed my video. So yeah, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below.
So this is how the lenses came in. This came inside this box, and it's in this shade sterling gray. So this is how the packaging is actually. So you always need to wash your hands properly or sanitize your hands before you apply lenses. So I sanitized my hands, and now I'm just going to peel off the cover, and then you just have to pick up the lenses with the help of your fingers. It will like the lenses will gradually grab your fingers once you dip in your fingers into the solution. Now I am just keeping it on my hand, and I'm cleaning it, and then I'm going to take the lenses, and I'm just going to pull my lower lash line and my upper lid and place that on my eyes. Once you place that, just close your eyes and then open it. It will adjust itself to your eyeball. And of course, this is the first time of me applying it, and my eyes did water. So I'll just apply the other lens the same way as I did on my other eye, and here it is. It's just a beautiful color. Now I'm going to remove these lenses after I clean my hands, and I have already sanitized the lens case. I had boiled the lens case and now I'm just going to pinch with my fingers and take out the lenses. Taking out was the most difficult part over here. So I'm going to place the lenses in the lens solution. You have to pour a lot of lens solution and like up until which the lens is covered, and you have to just tightly secure it and keep it away. So I just stored it and my eyes are red. It's the first time, so yeah.